at OnManorama. Today, my partner in crime is Dhanya.
Hi everyone.
So, what are we cooking today?
So let's make the chocolate fudge we made in school.
So, what are we gonna need for it?
We'll be needing milk, butter, cocoa powder.
Palpudi and sugar. So, how do we start?
So first we have to add all the ingredients except the milk powder into the pan. We need to mix until the sugar dissolves.
Speaking of school, have you finished your homework?
Yeah, what about you?
Yeah. We're waiting for it to dissolve and to blend together.
You need a lot of patience to do this.
This is very boring.
Yum, it smells so nice.
I'm sure my cousins who come from Delhi are going to love this.
How old are they? What do they do?
They're 6 and 3 and they're very naughty. And they love anything with chocolate in it.
Looks like it's all done. Let's mix the palpudi.
Yum!
We're gonna try to make it smooth.
And make sure the palpudi blends in well.
The palpudi has mixed in well. It's now smooth.
Just in case it becomes dry and crumbly, just add some milk and mix it up. Now we're going to grease the pan. Now we're going to pour this into the pan for it to set. Leave it out for about 30 minutes for it to set. It's out of the fridge and set. Now we're making it into small balls. If you want, you can coat it with sugar or coconut.
It tastes really good.
It is good.